In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Pocket Option dashboard with ease. The Pocket Option dashboard is a versatile tool for anyone involved in the world of trading, and having a firm grasp on its features will enhance your trading experience. Let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this platform effectively. When you first open the Pocket Option dashboard, you may find yourself overwhelmed by all the information presented. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down step by step, starting with a crucial feature for trading: currencies. Look towards the middle top section of your screen. Here, you will notice a button dedicated to currencies. This is a critical starting point when you're looking to trade different currency pairs. Click on the Currencies button. This action will bring up a comprehensive list of available currencies. It might look like a sea of information at first, but this list is your gateway to understanding various asset options. By clicking on it, you're opening up a world of trading possibilities. Each asset represents a currency pair, and understanding these pairs is fundamental for making informed trading decisions. Once you see the list of currencies and assets, take a moment to absorb the information. You'll notice various pairs listed alongside their respective data. This data includes critical metrics like current rates and trading volumes. All of this is essential information to help guide your trading strategy. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the trends indicated here, as they can swiftly impact your trading outcomes. As you explore these currency pairs, consider your trading plan and strategy. Which currencies are you interested in? Which pairs align best with your trading goals? The goal here is to make thoughtful selections that support your overall trading objectives. Take your time in this phase. This decision-making process is vital. Being methodical in your approach will pay off when it comes to executing trades. Having a clear view of all the available assets is empowering. It enables you to make swift, informed decisions about where to place your trades. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, making navigation smooth and efficient. Remember, practice is key. The more time you spend familiarizing yourself with this tool, the more adept you'll become at harnessing its full potential. So there you have it, a simple yet foundational way to navigate the Pocket Option dashboard by focusing on currencies and assets. By mastering this part of the platform, you've set yourself on a solid path to more confident and effective trading. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to exploring deeper features and strategies in the ever-evolving world of trading. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on optimizing your trading experience.